What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Starting this video off at the Elote station. Some fresh corn. Actually pretty cheap compared to other E85 stations. Why doesn't it focus? $3 a gallon. But anyways, we're about to go meet up with the homie Panda. You guys might know him, Y37Z. He just got it back up and running. He's about to go get street tuned tonight. I thought, why not go with him, chill with some of the homies, and see that thing get street tuned. I know that car's gonna be quick, bro. He's been driving it on the base map like for the last, I want to say, couple weeks. And he actually does pulls. I don't do pulls in this one, but he actually does pulls, and that car is moving, bro. Damn, bro, $30 almost got me a full tank. Hell yeah, I love this E85, bro. I'm so glad I made the changeover. Met up with the fast guy. Now we're on the way to the shop. What up, Doc? What's up, fast guy? Okay. I'm such a good friend that when I take rollers, I pass the exit and I get lost. Alright guys, I'm kind of big on like respect all builds, but what the f is that? Come on. So my tuner doesn't know that I came. And by the way, Panda sucks. I got lost and I got here before him. How does that even happen? Bet you weren't expecting to see me, were you? What's up, dude? Finally, you got a haircut?
Yeah.
How did I get lost and I still beat you here?
The freeway and you
How
got
did
here first.
How, bro? You suck.
Nah, chill. You literally said I'm gonna try to beat you there. You were.
But I was not.
speeding,
I was not speeding. I was
That's
driving
probably-
normal.
that's
I've been here for like 5 minutes, huh?
Then that's probably a short.
So, Adrian, my tuner, has me working right here. Meanwhile,
Take your ass to work.
Where's
my
they're
phone?
gonna go tune. So I'm stuck here, gripping this for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, they go tune. So I'll pick up the camera once I'm done holding this, I guess.
Meanwhile. Alright guys, so we're gonna be logging the pool right now. He said the tune almost looks perfect already. So the car, there's a reason why it feels super solid already, like I said. So let's see, we've got a pull going on right now.
There might be a cup right here. Right in this. If there's no cup right here on the right, then you're good.
Okay.
Right here. Right, you're good. Go. Alright, this is up.
So they're back from street tuning. So when this fool brought his car back, he actually did something extra. Any guesses? What did you do to your car, bro?
I made a vacuum leak to sound like that.
It's a ghost cam, actually. Hit him up for your ghost cams.
Huh?
Hit him up for your ghost cams.
How's that old lady that goes, woo, woo, hello?
We got this super clean 370Z sitting right here at the shop. No idea whose it is, but it's pretty clean. Told me? Alright then. I see you. Ah, Fitment. Hey, I like that sticker too, nice. We got the homie's M340i right here. My potential next car. I know you guys have probably heard me say it so many times that I want to sell this car. This time I'm actually being serious. I'm just waiting to tune it. I might add some headers. Tune it, have a little bit of fun with it. And then if somebody wants to buy it as is, I'll list it for sale. If not, I'll put it back to stock. But as of right now, the next step is to probably add some headers, dyno tune it, have a little bit of fun with it, and then probably list it up for sale because I want something a little bit faster. But unlike last time, I am not in the rush to sell it or to buy it. But that is my plan with it. I do not plan to keep it for much longer. This time for real. Alright guys, so super random. I guess the homie is gonna run a other VQ for money. So I thought, why not go to it, bring you guys along with me and show you guys a race. I think it's a G37. So let's see how this thing does. I need a big 58 in my life. Bro, there's a cop So this is the car that homie Panda's gonna be racing. G37. I believe it's full bolt on 85. I'm not too sure though. Tuned by Saul. Pretty sick. Haha, sick ass plate, not auto. But let's see how this goes. What do you guys got? G37, 37DZ. Same engine, just different chassis. This was about to have a money run and he has hella shit in his fucking trunk.
Full interior, bro.
It's a daily, huh? It's really a daily?
It's a daily. It really is my daily. What the fuck?
Both cars are full interior.
Fuck me up, bro.
So I guess there was some miscommunication. He thought that this car was cammed. So now, I mean, I don't even know if it's fair, but it's all for fun. See how this thing goes. So this man is saying it's cammed, but the owner's saying it's not.
I'm letting you know. I'm kind. Yeah. Give me the hit or something? We're not racing for money.
I guess not for money, never mind.
You should have told me I want to race that M5.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you're gonna run M5, M5 makes a difference. I would have run M5 as well.
Well, that would have been
M5 is a bigger difference than cams.
Yeah. Yeah.
You gain more from M5 than cam.
Yeah. If you cam your car and stay E85, you get more gains out of M5 than no cam.
My cam, you probably get like 10.
But I just literally installed my cams like fucking 2 weeks ago. I'm on the street too, so.
Got the nitters on here.
You want a cam?
So that's it.
Because I have the cams,
Yeah.
I haven't
Installed them.
Well, I don't know who.
1, 2, 3.
So he did think that the G37 was cam. I guess the guy said it wasn't. Panda said he heard a cam, but I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's a fun run. It's not like it matters anyways. But anyways, I ended up just coming home. They were gonna pull over. I don't know if they were gonna go out to eat or something. But it's all good. Fun runs. It's good to know that not all runs with different tuners are toxic. Some could be friendly like this one. That's what's up. That's what I'd like to see. But yeah, I'm gonna take my happy ass home and go to sleep because I'm tired. But yeah, there you guys have it. 370Z versus 337. 370Z for the win. We kind of knew it was gonna happen because, like I said, we thought that G37 was cam, but he was still not running for fun. That's what it's all about, just to have some fun. So I'm gonna take my happy ass home, and I'll pick this up when I pick this up. All right, guys. So it's now the next day from the last clip you guys just saw. Ended up making it home safely, thankfully. When I got home, the homie Panda actually called me and said that I guess a Karen ended up calling the cops while they were running, and the CHP happened to just pull up to the exact parking lot that they were chilling at. But thankfully he was kind of cool. He just said that he knows that they're racing, he has their plates, but to not be racing no more, and pretty much ended up leaving after that, which is pretty cool of him. I'm not gonna lie, he could have easily like taken their cars if there was video proof, but thankfully that did not happen. They all went home safely and everything was good. But with that being said, that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. We should be taking this car to the shop this week. Nothing major is really wrong with it, just a little fuel leak. Simple little like 10-15 minute fix probably. We're gonna tow it over there, fix that, and see what else we do. I might do something small to this car this week as well. Something in this area. Very small, but the smallest things make the biggest difference sometimes. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and finish editing this video for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.